how are you today? High five. Are you ready to learn how to swim? Okay, remember to learn how to swim first is to be easy, huh? Can you show me the bubbles in the water? 5 seconds. Okay, put your eyes in the water and blow the bubbles slowly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Hey, you did your bubbles 5 seconds? Yes? Okay, now you can try to fly like a bird. You do your bubbles and you come to Christian with your hands open. And you fly in the water, okay? All right, come here. Open your hands. Bubbles and let yourself fly. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Excellent. Yeah? We fly again? Show me how you do. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Don't forget, you have to do big bubbles, not small. Okay? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Big bubbles and top. Go. Bubbles, fly. There, slowly. Wow, that's nice. Can you feel you are flying in the water? Yes? You can fly? Can you show me again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Wow. Okay. All right, Elizabeth, listen. Okay, we go for 5-second bubbles where you fly. After the fly, what you can do with your hands, imagine you are like a big tiger. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles, and then after, when you want to look up with your head to breathe, right? What you do with your hands is the tiger. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Like imagine you walk inside the water, and in the same time with your mouth, you take a breath. Listen, let's go. Breathe. And bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger, breathe. Bubbles. Okay, do the bubbles. 1, 2. Big bubbles. 3, 4, and 5. Tiger with your hands. Breathe up and bubbles again. Correct. And then you go slowly. Go slowly. Go slowly. Elizabeth, go slowly. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bubbles and breathe. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me help you, but go slowly. Yeah? All right, let's go. So, look at my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger and bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. High five. So, if you want to swim alone, remember you need to do the tiger when you finish your bubbles, so you can breathe. Okay? With the tiger, your head goes up. Yeah? Can you show me the tiger after your bubbles? Come. 5 seconds first. Let's go. Let's go. And bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger with your hands. You forgot. Yes. And bubbles. Big tiger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big tiger. Move your hands. And bubbles. That's good. There you go. Relax your legs. Relax your legs. There you go. Bubbles, 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 bubbles. Elizabeth, are you okay? Remember, hey, if you want to look up with your head, right? Move your hands like a tiger, huh? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? That's why you are doing this, because you're sleepy? How come you're so sleepy? What have you done, huh? Okay? Sure. Okay. Show me this goggle. Wow, you look like a mermaid with this goggle, you know? Are you ready? Alright, 5-second bubbles. Come. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tiger with your hands and bubbles. That's good. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger with your hands and bubbles. There you go. Okay. Do you understand when I hold you with my hands here? Your head is near to the water, so you need to paddle if you want to go up, okay? And maintain your body horizontal. So only you can paddle to keep your heads up. Whew. We do the last one and we're done? Okay, Elizabeth? Allez, show me how you can swim. I will help you. I will help you to breathe. Okay, go get your flower if you like. All right, give me this one. We take it for mommy, okay? Allez. You don't want this one? Okay, we got another one. We will get another one later. Come. All right. Come here. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so 5-second bubbles. Tiger to breathe. 5-second bubbles again. Okay? Allez, show me. Go, 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 go. Slowly. Bubbles. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger bubbles. No, no, no scary. Always slowly. Okay? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger bubbles. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Did you do your tiger to breathe? Yes? Is it easy? Okay, swimming is simple, huh? We have to do this until I don't need to help you anymore. You can do it alone. Right? Okay, high five. Let's go get some prayer from mommy. Say goodbye.